Breaktor is really a new product that we're bringing to the market. The Breaktor is a combination of a circuit breaker and a contactor. Traditional electric vehicles have a fuse and a contactor in them, and the Breaktor actually replaces both of them, and it offers superior circuit protection versus what's in vehicles today.
The number one challenge in vehicle circuit protection today is the need for the fuse and the contactor to coordinate with each other. And this is a challenge that a wide range of OEMs in the market have more recently started to recognize. So this is where the Breaktor comes in. This is the fundamental thing that the Breaktor solves. Not only does it replace those two components, but it provides a solution that's inherently coordinated and can protect against any type of current level that the vehicle battery might be able to produce. So typically with an electric vehicle contactor in the market, what will happen in the event of a short circuit or a very high energy level event? The contacts within the device will start to separate due to the electromechanical forces within the device, and current will start going down. But there's also another force pushing those contacts back together. So what can happen is the device can open and then it can reclose. And sometimes when it recloses, it can weld, or it can in some cases continue to bounce up and down as it develops heat, and it doesn't actually protect and clear the circuit. So in the case of the Breaktor, in a very short amount of time, as fast as 50 microseconds, the contacts will start to separate due to the electromechanical forces, which would normally start to shut off current. Now, what's unique about Breaktor is that in 500 microseconds, we're able to shut off current to the coil, which would normally be driving those contacts back closed. So the end result is that there's no mechanism for the Breaktor to shut itself back up again after the overcurrent event. And this helps to prevent the contacts from welding within the device after an overcurrent event.
When there is a short circuit on an electric vehicle, 30,000 amps can occur when the lines get cut or when there's an accident. We want to make sure that we're protecting first responders. We want to make sure that we're protecting occupants of the vehicle. We want to make sure that the system is disabled when there is a critical fault on the vehicle.
One of the unique features of the Breaktor is the fact that after a high current event, the device can be reset many different times so that the vehicle can continue operating after a system check to verify safety before the vehicle's turned back on. You can think of it almost similar to a circuit breaker panel in your home, that after you have some type of overcurrent event, you can go down to your panel and flip it right back on, and then your system continues to operate as normal. And this is really the basis of how the Breaktor works. I think the story of Breaktor really goes along those lines, where Eaton recognized not only that there's a gap in the market, there's a need for this resettable, this coordinated solution combining multiple components into one, and we answered it. We answered it with a product like Breaktor, which we believe very strongly is going to solve these problems in the market. And as e-mobility, we're committed to offering differentiated solutions that are going to meet the needs of our customers.